Hi guys, welcome on the video. Right now I'm working on a 3D gas emission, so I'm just doing an experiment and see what it can do. Also, I tried to create a version of it in Sprite. I just want to see how different it would be. So I'll show you how I made this one. Just for comparison, this one is the 3D volumetric gas emission, while this one is the Sprite version. So for you guys who want to create a Sprite version of your 3D gas emission, this is how we do it. I'm just sharing to you what I've learned. So first, you go to your content browser and create a Niagara system. You select the rainbow smoke, which I renamed. Click that and go to edit rainbow smoke and it will open this one, and then you will see the system overview, but go to the baker, and once you're in the baker, just select a good camera angle where you could see this in live sim. I'll just hit play so that you could see somewhat. It's in a different perspective, but you have to fix this. Mine is already fixed. And then once you're happy with it, just go to the frame size. Then the rest of it doesn't have any changes, and then after that, just hit this run bake process, and then it will create this baked sim. So this is the Sprite version. It doesn't look like Sprite, but then after that, we'll create this one, this texture. So you just have to double click it and then it will open this one. So make sure you count how many are the size of it. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 8 by 8, right? And then after that, we go back to our content row, this material, and then here in the material, we are going to create a flipbook. So make sure to right click and then type texture sample, and then right click and type divide. So in the texture sample, this is where we input our rainbow smoke, which is this one. So you just type it, rainbow smoke. You could use a different file name. Mine is, I just wanted rainbow smoke because it's rainbow. And then we plug the RGB into A and the alpha into the B, and then we plug this into the emissive color and then the alpha again into the opacity. Some use the default lit, but for some odd reason it's desaturated. That's why I selected the unlit version of it. Make sure it's surface, translucent, and unlit. Alright, and then after that, hit save, and then go back to the content browser again, create a new Niagara system. Make sure that it is a simple sprite burst. It would open a template there. From inside is we are going to create a sub UV animation. So just go to particle update, hit the add button, type sub UV animation. Inside there, make sure that a start frame and end frame are selected. It's 0 to 63 and make it linear. Go to the sprite renderer, and here inside the material, we are going to change this into the rainbow flipbook, this material that we created. Once that is done, make sure that your sub image size is 8 by 8, because if it's 1 by 1, then it's going to be static like this one. See, so we have to make it 8 by 8. So there's going to be an animation, and then hit save. We could now drag it in here. So some of you might be wondering, why is my texture sprite is so small? Because I was able to encounter that. Quite pissed off. So I researched and then I found out I have to go to the sprite attributes, uniform sprite, because at first I think this is size 10. So it's going to be so small. Make it size 100. It's going to be bigger, and then 500. So it's a lot bigger. So I want it to be a lot bigger when I drag it inside of viewport, and there it is. So the difference is that this one is more memory friendly. Unlike this one, it's kind of heavy, especially when you create a lot of it inside a scene, but it looks a lot more superior in visual quality, and there's an interaction of it. Well, this one doesn't have any interaction. So there you have it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll share you what I'll learn next time. Bye.